Kung meron mang hindi dapat mawala sa araw natin, hindi yun kape, kundi salita ng Diyos. When I do my Bible reading, I often start with my Pinoy version Bible. Kasi honestly, mas madali ko siyang maintindihan since Taglish nga siya. And feel ko rin sundan yung history ng Israel using this version. Tingnan niyo, may picture pa. Pero syempre, hindi lang ako nagsisettle doon. I also use my NASB Bible for the deep dive study, lalo na kapag gumagawa ako ng preaching outline. Share ko na din, I've been reading Who's the Holy Ghost by Pastor Blood, and grabe, it keeps reminding me that as a Christian, it is vital for us to walk by the Spirit of God, that we should walk with Him and work on our relationship with Him. Ngayon nasa chapter 6 na ako, pero meron pa rin akong aftershock ng chapter 5 kasi ang ganda ng topic. It talks about surrendering to the Spirit to bear His fruit. So we don't strive to bear His fruit, we just surrender. Yun lang, God bless.